SOLIDWORKS is packed with hundreds of tools and powerful functionality to help users reduce their time spent from initial concept to design approval. The ability to find and apply the right tool quickly can save design time and help users meet their project deadlines. Let's take just a few minutes to learn what tools exist inside SOLIDWORKS to help keep commands organized and easily accessible, allowing users to spend more time designing and less time searching for the right command. The CommandManager is a ribbon-style toolbar designed to organize commands by topic without obstructing the graphics area with individual static toolbars. Out of the box, SOLIDWORKS does a great job of organizing a basic toolset, but as I advance my skill set and use more tools, I should learn to customize this manager for my specific needs. And as with most things SOLIDWORKS, customizing the CommandManager is as simple as right-clicking on any tab and then selecting Customize from the list. I can activate additional topic-specific tabs, drag icons to rearrange them, search for and add commands, create groups of commands, or even create new tabs. I can also customize the tabs between parts, assemblies, and drawings. The CommandManager is useful for creating organized topic-specific groups of commands, but what about selecting commands right in the graphics area to save me time and keep me focused on my most common design tasks? When mouse gestures is activated, a customized circular pop-up of commands can be accessed with a single right-click and drag gesture from anywhere in the graphics area. The customizable list of commands switches automatically when working in a sketch, part, assembly, or drawing. To activate or customize mouse gestures, from the Tools dropdown, I select Customize and then select the Mouse Gestures tab to open a searchable list of SOLIDWORKS commands along with a preview of my current layout. I can choose the number of commands to display and then drag and drop commands from the list to organize the toolbar for each topic. Once I'm satisfied with my selection, I can print the guide for reference. I can now access commands right in the graphics area, reducing my time spent searching for commands. There are several other tabs in the Customize window with options to personalize my user interface. In the Toolbars tab, there are options to adjust the global icon size, enable or disable the CommandManager, and turn toolbars on or off. The Shortcuts bar tab can be used to add commands to pop-up dialogs, which can then be accessed while designing by pressing the S key to activate a pop-up shortcut bar where I can quickly select a command. There are also tabs and options for commands, menus, and keyboard shortcuts. Now that I've customized my user interface, how do I save those settings or restore if needed? SOLIDWORKS has a special tool for that as well. Let's take a look. The SOLIDWORKS Copy Settings wizard can save or restore personalized system settings, mouse gestures, toolbar layouts, and more. The Save Settings option saves a copy of my selected personalized settings to a file in a user-defined location. The Restore Settings option can then be used to restore a full set or only a selected category of my settings from the saved file. To launch the tool from within SOLIDWORKS, select Save Restore Settings from the Tools or Options drop-down lists. Or, from outside SOLIDWORKS, the tool can be launched independently by selecting Copy Settings Wizard from the SOLIDWORKS Tools folder in the Windows Application list. Organizing the CommandManager, accessing mouse gestures, and using Copy Setting Wizard are just some of the ways you can customize SOLIDWORKS and spend more time designing and less time searching for commands. To find even more tips and training to help you get the most out of SOLIDWORKS, visit my.solidworks.com and click on Training. Now that you've seen a few ways to customize your design experience, which will you choose to start experimenting with to increase productivity on your next project? Don't wait. Start saving design time today.